In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up time tracking in Gusto. If you're managing a team, keeping track of hours worked is crucial, and Gusto makes it simple and efficient. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to implement and utilize this feature to streamline your payroll process. First, let's start by navigating to Gusto's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in gusto.com in the address bar. Hit enter, and once the page loads, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, but today we'll assume you already have access. Logging in brings you to your dashboard, the central hub for managing all your HR needs. Once you're in the dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here you're going to see several options, but for today, focus on finding the section labeled Time and Attendance. Click on it. This section is designed to help you manage your team's work hours, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to optimize their HR operations. After you click on Time and Attendance, you'll be presented with a few more options. One of these is time tracking. Go ahead and click on Time Tracking. This feature allows employees to log their hours directly into Gusto, saving both time and reducing the potential for errors in manual time entry. Now, before you can fully set up and utilize time tracking, there's a prerequisite to be aware of. You'll need to have a pay schedule established. Think of the pay schedule as the framework that supports your time tracking efforts. It ensures that all the hours logged are correctly tied to your payroll cycles. If you don't have a pay schedule set up yet, you'll need to do this first. Head over to the payroll section on your dashboard and follow the prompts to create a schedule that aligns with your business needs. Having a pay schedule not only helps in organizing payment cycles, but also ensures compliance with labor laws and company policies. It's the backbone of your time tracking system, making sure everything aligns seamlessly when it comes to paying your team. Once your pay schedule is in place, return to the time tracking section to complete the setup. Here, you can start configuring how you'd like your team to log their hours. Gusto offers flexibility in terms of clock-in and clock-out methods, whether it's through a web interface, a mobile app, or even a physical time clock. Choose the option that best fits your workplace environment. As your team starts using the time tracking feature, you'll notice how much smoother the payroll process becomes. Hours logged are automatically synced with your pay schedule, reducing the need for manual entries and minimizing errors. Plus, Gusto provides detailed reports giving you insights into work patterns and helping you make informed decisions about your workforce. And there you have it. Setting up time tracking in Gusto is straightforward and, once done, it can significantly enhance how you manage employee hours and payroll. Remember, the key is to ensure your pay schedule is set up correctly, as it forms the foundation for effective time tracking. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy time tracking.